Hi brothers, work are dealers from Nigeria, Ghana, and Cameroon. Take a full walk around of this brand new Chang'an CS75 2026 Pro 1.5T Enjoy Edition. We'll have both 5-seat and 7-seat versions for you to pick. Look at the sleek exterior, stylish front grille, brand LED headlights, lock inside, spacious cabin, comfortable seats, big touch screen, 4-factor original features, low aftermarket parts, plenty of legroom for families, fleets, and commercial use. Check out the warehouse behind me. Most already stock of Chang'an CS75 are packed here. Fresh factory cars. We can arrange shipment immediately once you place your bulk order. Dealers fleet outlets company buys hot my books for the best wholesale FOB price. Big discount for large orders. Why can't you can inspect our warehouse anytime?